Stock market recap. Today is March 20th, 2024. So the big news today was the Fed keeping interest rates unchanged. We all knew that would happen, but the key, everyone thought Powell would push back the interest rate cuts or say something about that because of the hotter than expected PPI inflation report, but he still said he expects 3 interest rate cuts, and that was huge. That's why everything from the S&P 500 to the NASDAQ to the Russell 2000 to the Dow to Bitcoin, everything went up, guys. Risk on rally. And so now's the time, like I said, to get into these AI small cap stocks, okay? Because investors, remember, the stock market is 6 to 9 months forward looking, and people know that the next catalyst is going to be these interest rate cuts that happen eventually. And so that's why people are piling in now, okay? And those are the ones, like I said, the small cap AI stocks that have the most room to go up, right? Exponential gains, we're talking long term if you can hold them. Because again, we're still at the early stages of this AI boom. I hope you see that. Also, other news is Micron, ticker symbol MU. They crushed earnings expectations. They're going to be a huge beneficiary, all the memory that's needed, DRAM and NAND, with the semiconductor boom taking place with these AI chips, okay? So Micron's a good hold. Hopefully you bought or had some of this before the earnings report. If you aren't in it yet, I would definitely wait for a pullback. As we all know, you always want to buy the dip versus buying at the top, okay? But anyways, like I said, this was huge with what Powell said today. So this should get this momentum going back up again. And I think the Russell 2000 index will finally break out and close above $207. And in fact, today it did. So let's see if tomorrow can continue that moment and close a second day above 207, and then we should be off and running finally with the small cap AI stocks. Now, you do still want to pay attention to the reports that come out in the future. Like if there's another hotter than expected inflation report, then that is going to make it even harder on the Fed. So let's hope it was just a one-off with the PPI and we can continue this momentum upward for now.